Hello friends, today I will share my last project that I shoot in the basement store of the client. It is not possible to shoot hundred of dresses in my studio because all are the heavy bridal dresses and I need professional staff who can help me to shoot with the bridal dresses. So I have to work in the worst conditions to shoot for the e-commerce site. All images require the white background. Let's watch how I can set lighting here. I used white linen cloth in the background. I need pure white background so I can edit minimum to increase my workflow. Also added white cloths on the both sides of the dummy to prevent the loss of light. So I added two strobe lights on the both sides of the dummy and dummy placed little far away from the background so prevent the spilling of the light on the dress. Set up two flashlights for the dummy. First use octagon umbrella with the white diffuser to spread soft light. I am using here Codex V860 Mark II flash in the manual mode and place second flash to fill the floor. I am using here Nikon's SB800 on manual mode. So both flashes are in the manual mode. Set the camera on the tripod in between the both flashes. Camera connected to the computer with the tether cable so I can see the result live. The main benefit of the tether shooting is the ability to quickly preview the image on the large monitor within seconds of the capturing it with your camera. This allows both you and the client to scrutinize your images on a big screen, allowing you to make adjustment to the photo shoot as it's taking place. So I used 4 light sources on the manual mode, camera set to the shutter speed 1:200 seconds, aperture on f11 and ISO on 200. Let's check the result. You can see the background of the dummy is a mostly pure white. It was treated with the Lightroom so it opened in the Lightroom workspace. Now I am editing it in the Photoshop by click right mouse and select edit in, then select edit in the Adobe Photoshop 2021. Now it open in the Photoshop workspace. Unlock the layer first, selecting the patch tool to remove the patches replacing the white background. Select the patch tool and draw an area around it. Works in a similar way to the lasso selection. Move the cursor over the selected area and drag it to the left, right, or in any direction. Choose whether you choose source or destination mode in the option bar. You will see a preview of the image as you drag it. When you release the mouse or stylus, Photoshop does the magic of blending the pixels from the source or the destination area to merge the pixel with the original selection seamlessly. Deselected by Command plus D on the Mac and Control plus D on the PC. Also removing lines of the floors and also removing the dark areas with the patch tool. After that, select any selection tool from the tool panel and then click on the select subject from the option bar. Selection is perfect. It is because our background behind the dummy is a white and exposure is correct. If light spilled around the dress, then selection could not be like that. Now I am using Ctrl plus Shift plus I in the Windows or Command plus Shift plus I on the Mac to reverse the selection. By doing so, you can edit the outside area of the subject. Now I am selecting curve adjustment layer with the selection. You can see the subject is in the black. It means the subject is hidden and any adjustment will not affect the subject. White area shown in the mask is the revealed and it will be affected. In the curve adjustment layer, you will find 3 droppers. I am selecting white dropper and pick the dark area of the background. You will see by few clicks all area converted to the pure white. I am converting the workspace color default to white by clicking right menu on the workspace and select white color. You can see the background was matched with the white color. I am again converting it to default color. Now it's time to enhance the colors and tones of the subject. So I am creating another color adjustment layer and I will select the auto option. The auto color correction option controls the automatic tone and the color corrections available in the both levels and curves. It also controls the settings for the auto tone, auto contrast and auto color commands. The auto color correction option lets you specify shadow and highlights clipping percentage and assign color values to the shadows, midtone and highlights. After selecting option, here you will find 4 options. I am selecting Enhance Monochromatic Contrast. This option clips all channels identically, preserves the overall color relationship while making highlights appear lighter and shadows appear darker. The auto contrast command chooses this algorithm. Click OK. Then I lift RGB curve from the center to increase brightness. Here I feel some shadows are very dark, so I am creating another curve adjustment layer to increase the brightness. Now I am selecting white mask and using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus I or Command plus I to reverse the mask. By doing so, mask converting to the black, it means all changes you made was hidden. Select the brush with the opacity 100% and the flow should be the 2% and foreground color should be white by using D shortcut. With the white brush you can reveal the changes you have made of the increasing the brightness. I am painting on the mask only on those areas those are very dark. You can see those area was brightened, not too much because our brush flow is only 2%. If you increase the flow, the subject will be washed out. This is a final image. Here you can see other images, those I have edited in the same way with the white background. This setup increased my workflow in the editing of the e-commerce photography. Without using background lights, selection will not be perfect and we have to do more work in the editing. It also affects the image quality too. So I set 2 lights to make background pure white. Hope you like this video. That's all for the today. I will come soon with the new tutorial. Thanks for watching.